Worldwide, there are 4.1 million knee surgeries per year that are performed using tools that don't fit with the needs of the surgeons. Until now. This is our Steerable Punch. Now it's easier to address knee injuries thanks to the patented steering mechanism. Now surgeons can perform arthroscopic surgeries faster. We are Surgeon Medical. Benno is a serial medtech entrepreneur. Tim is the Dutch Engineer of the Year 2016. Audrey is a business-focused engineer. We are aware of the struggle of the surgeons and we took action.
So as an orthopedic surgeon, we do a lot of knee arthroscopies. And we do a lot of surgeries on a meniscus. And we have to change the instruments during surgeries quite a lot. We have a big advantage with the Steerable Punch because it allows you to stay in one position, in a safe position in the knee. You have less chance that you make damage in the knee. And you have a quicker operation because you don't have to exchange your instruments all the time. We can use one instrument and do your surgery with only one instrument.
We worked with dedicated engineers and surgeons to develop the Steerable Punch. It really is an instrument designed by surgeons for surgeons. Daily, 500,000 surgeons around the world will benefit from using the Steerable Punch. But there is more. Our research team is working on 2 new instruments, the Steerable Grasper for laparoscopy and a portable system for robotic surgery. We are Surgeon Medical. We provide surgeons with innovations to treat you better.